If you're even thinking about trying HateToCall AI, stick around, because these 7 crucial things can save you hours of testing and help you get the best out of this just released AI software. And trust me, I've tested hundreds of tools in this space. Now before we dive in, you can actually try HateToCall for completely free from the first link below. No credit card needed, but keep watching because there's something weirdly brilliant this tool does near the end that blew my mind. Alright, first off, HateToCall AI is built for one thing: making or handling phone calls so you don't have to. Whether it's sales outreach, appointment reminders, cold calling, or even basic customer service follow-ups, it lets an AI voice do it all, without you ever picking up the phone. If you hate awkward phone convos, or don't have the time for follow-ups, this is your cheat code. Second, the voice quality is shockingly good. I expected that clunky robotic sound we've all heard before, but nope. The AI voices sound human. Like really human. And you can even tweak tone, script, pauses, and emotion depending on your goal. Sales calls versus friendly reminders, for example. Third, and this is big, the system lets you build call workflows just like email automations, so you can chain responses based on what the person says. If they say, not interested, it can politely follow up with a different message or end the call. No manual handling needed. Fourth, it integrates directly with your CRM or Google Sheets, so uploading leads or syncing data is plug and play. That's a major win if you already have a pipeline or lead list ready to go. Fifth, there's live call monitoring. You can listen in, review transcripts, and even jump in if needed. So if you're worried about AI messing something up, you still have full control. Sixth, the analytics dashboard is solid. You'll see answered calls, call durations, lead responses, opt-outs, basically everything you'd expect from a proper marketing tool. It's not some gimmicky launch tool. This feels production ready. And finally, the pricing. While it's new, the founders are offering a free trial, and their paid plans are way cheaper than hiring any virtual assistant or cold caller. Especially for agencies, solopreneurs, or local businesses doing outbound, it pays for itself fast. Now here's that twist I mentioned earlier. HateToCall AI is not just for sales. People are using it for political outreach, event confirmations, abandoned cart recovery, and even debt follow-ups. The use cases go way beyond typical cold calling, and that's why I think this AI is going to explode soon. Again, the link to try HateToCall AI for free is right below. No commitment. If you've ever avoided calls or wasted time dialing dead leads, this might be your new favorite tool. Also, I've included my top recommended AI softwares in the description. After testing thousands, these are the best tools I personally use, and you can try them all for free.